How to change country on Zalando. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can change your country here in the Zalando app, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. If I go in, you're going to see that in the top right corner I'm going to have like the icon of a person. That's your profile, so I'm going there. And at the end of this screen now I have the option App Settings. There, if I go there, the first option, as you can see, there says Germany. So if you tap there, you're going to open a list of different countries that you can choose on. So you just have to select another country. It could be United Kingdom, and you'll need to restart your app to make this official. So I'm gonna click on OK. This is going to restart my app, be opened again. And if I tap in the same icon at the top right corner and now again into app settings, as you can see now my Zalando app is in the United Kingdom now. And that's how you can change your country on Zalando. Thanks for watching.